Hey guys, I'm gonna take you on along on a call. Actually, I fixed it when I was just looking at the air handler, and I did not know it. But it's a very easy fix, very simple call. But today's been kind of frustrating. I had a commercial call with one of those Ethernet enabled thermostats that's controlled by somebody like in Delaware or something, and I could not get the thing to come on. Trouble with tech support. That was frustrating. But the call I'm going to show you, the reason I'm showing it to you is because it's an interesting house. Stay tuned. There's a spot in here. Yeah, right here.
That's the place to do it.
You can change your filter here, or we can put a filter grill out there now.
No, that'd be harder. This is easier. Can you make this thing easier to take off and put on, or?
What do you mean?
I don't know. Just figured I'd throw the question out there. Probably the answer is no. You know, I guess there's 2 thumb screws I have to remove.
You talking about this piece right here? Yeah, there's gonna be 2 thumb screws right there.
Take it out, put the thing back in, and put it
Let me see if I can get a light here. There we go.
Okay.
And it looks like that's a 20 by 20. It's listed right here on the side.
Yes.
Oh man.
Okay.
I see problems with this already.
Uh-oh. You'll have to take the wall up.
Oh, let's hope not.
All right. Well, I'll let you go.
All right.
Do what you got to do. Let me know if you need me.
All right, will do. What do y'all think about this for access? Lovely. All right, so the problem I found was this float switch right here was leaning to the side, and the float will not float if it's banging up against the side of this little cylinder right here. All right, let's see if we can figure out why it's not coming on. This is another one, and that's downstairs. Let's see if we can get it to come on. All right, I hear a blower coming on. I'll try to close this because there's a dog in here. All right, this is, I'm pretty sure this is the one I just turned on. Ow! Oh my word, there's a holly tree right there. All right, let me go get my gauges or my probes. Aren't you sweet? Yes, you are. You so sweet. Stay out my van. Nope, can't go in there. Oh, I just love holly bushes and trees. They are just so pleasant to have around. This is my little ayudantito. He's helping me out today. I know the holly bushes bother you too, don't they? I know it. I know. At least I got some pants on my knees. You ain't got nothing on those poor feet. Actually, considering the temperatures right now, it is 63 degrees out here and it's about the same inside. That ain't bad. Let me go turn that off. This right here is the other one. Yeah, any other kind of air handler and this might not work. I do hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, how about like and subscribe? I got lots of good videos on HVAC topics, over 2,000 of them. So subscribe, there's more to come. Tomorrow, I'm actually traveling to Ohio to meet some of my new friends. I'm sure to have more content coming this weekend. I'll catch you on the next one.